you can make extra money today. Okay? Thank you for coming with Chatting with Tammy. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. And let's get straight into it. Before I start, I want to let you know this is the Mindset, Lifestyle, and Relatable Combo YouTube channel, and that's what you into. Stick around and watch. Today I'm going to talk about 5 side hustles that you can do to make money today, right now, download on your phone. Okay? Let's start with the first one. I'm going to be looking down because I need to keep track. Number 1 is DoorDash. Now hear me out. DoorDash has been around for years, but I have DoorDash and Uber Eats, and DoorDash you make more money. And to give you some reference, I do live in Miami, and that should just let you know that there's a lot of money in this area. Okay, go in the rich areas, and you're gonna make a good amount of money. You can make $100 to $200 a day if you're serious. The only downfall about that is your miles on your car. So these other suggestions you might like even more. All right. Hustle number 2. Side hustle number 2 is Gig Smart. Now, Gig Smart is an app. I'm going to be showing the app somewhere around this screen. I'm going to show you the Gig Smart. I don't know if it's available in all states. That's for you to do your research on. But let me tell you what exactly is Gig Smart. This is also a side hustle I've made a lot of money on. Gig Smart is basically you're going to be delivering medicine to people's houses. Okay? So the way that it works, you're going to go on the app and you're going to download it. You're going to fill out the information. Once you fill out the information, they approve you. You're gonna go ahead to the location that's in your city, wherever that location is. You're gonna go to that location. They're gonna assign you a route, and then you're gonna deliver to, let's say, for example, 5 houses, right? Where if you get to the house and nobody's there to sign your phone, because you have an app, you have to take a picture. You have to take a picture of that you delivered it. The person has to sign that they have received their delivery, and let's say that there's nobody home. You have to go back to the facility and return the medicine. And good thing about all this, they pay you for that. They pay you for all that. The average that you will make per day is $80. That's the flat. That's the overall. It don't matter how much you deliver, you're gonna make $80 that day. Okay, $80 in one day, that's better than DoorDash. It gets better as I continue to give you side hustle, right? So you're gonna make $80 that day. The only downside again is the distance, the miles, the wear and tear on your car. Side hustle number 3 is Prosty Pics. Prosty Pics is you're gonna be taking pictures of properties and residential properties. You're gonna take pictures of the condition of the property, how it looks. It's similar to Field Agent, but instead of you taking a picture of BK and stuff like that, you're taking a picture of actual commercial buildings and residential buildings. You're gonna make up to $30 to $100 depending on how much how much properties and how much projects you are assigned to and how much you do. And it takes up, and also I want to mention, it takes up to 48 hours to get paid. And that is an app, that's not a website you have to download on your phone. I'm going to show the app on the screen here. Now that is side hustle number 3. So far it's DoorDash, Gig Smart, and Prosty Pics. Okay, now we're going to do number 4. The 4th side hustle that you could be able to make money today, this week. Okay, extra to change that you need, right? So it will be Rover. So Rover is when you are watching pets and you take care of them. You take them on walks for somebody. Basically, you're a babysitter for some pets. They pay you minimum $100. Making $100 ain't that bad if you're a pet person. If you're a pet person, I would suggest Rover to you. If you're not, don't do it. So the number 5. The last side hustle I got for you to make extra money this week is care.com. So care.com is a website, and I believe they have an app. If they do, I'm going to put it up for you. Care that are, for example, if you're a babysitter, a nanny, and a caregiver, they will pay you. The minimum will be US while $15 to $25 per hour. And to be a caregiver, you will earn $16 to $25 per hour. And they also have housekeeping roles for this app. You generally make $12 to $25 an hour. Now, the price of how much you will make depends on your city. Everything varies on your city or where you live. But you can make money on this app. So the roles that you can make with care.com is babysitting, nannying, senior care, which is caregiving, and housekeeping. And the amount you get paid is based on your experience and the city that you are, but you do get paid the same day with this app. So those are the 5 side hustles that you can do today, this week, to get paid extra money. And when I add up all this, that's a good extra $500 to $600 if you ask me. So if you like these side hustle and you want a part 2, because I do got more that you can do to make that's a little bit more fun, a little bit more adventurous if you're up to it. If you want to make more money to add on to the paycheck that you're already earning on a daily basis. Thank you for coming with Chatting with Tammy. Comment below what you think, or have you tried any of these side hustles that I mentioned? If you did, comment below. Subscribe for more. And thank you for coming to Chatting with Tammy. And see you in the next one. Bye.